A devotee was suffering from a headache. While talking to her, Sri Nanagaru said, "You are suffering a lot from headache." She replied, "Though I don't know the cause of this headache, doesn't God know about it? I am getting back the fruit of my deeds only. I can't get this suffering without having incurred sin." Thus she was bearing the suffering very naturally. Sri Nanagaru asked her, "Why don't you ask God to reduce the headache?" She replied, "I will not do so. If required, I will only ask Him to bestow me with self-knowledge but will not ask Him to reduce my headache. Isn't God omniscient? Did I get this headache without His knowledge? I am indeed suffering from a headache. Perhaps God will introvert me towards self-knowledge through this suffering."
जनतापहरं शरणागत सेवक तोष करीं शरणागत सेवक तोष करीं प्रणमामि परां जननीं जगतां गुणहीन सुतान् पराधयुतान् कृपयाद्य समुद्धर मोहगतां तरणीं भवसागर पार करीं तरणीं भवसागर पार करीं प्रणमामि परां जननीं जगतां विषयान् कुसुमान् परिभीत्य सदा चर